In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept credit card payments on Booking.com. Setting up this feature might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident navigating the process smoothly. Let's dive in. First off, you'll want to log into your admin account at admin.booking.com. It's important to note that there isn't a general, one-size-fits-all setting for accepting credit card payments across the platform. Instead, this feature must be configured for each property you have listed. Once you're on your admin homepage, go ahead and select the listed property where you wish to enable credit card payments. As you proceed with the final steps of the registration, you'll want to find the section labeled Payments and click Edit. This is where you decide how your guests can pay for their stay. You have a couple of options here. First, there's the choice of allowing guests to pay online when they make a reservation. When guests choose this option, Booking.com facilitates the payment process using its Payments by Booking.com service, which I'll explain in a moment. Alternatively, you can choose to have guests pay by credit card directly at your property, whatever suits your business needs best. Now let's take a closer look at how Payments by Booking.com works. When your guest opts to pay through Booking.com, they are presented with more payment options such as PayPal, WeChat Pay, and Alipay. This flexibility can enhance the booking experience for your guests, possibly leading to more conversions. Using this system also means that Booking.com handles the guest payment. One of the benefits here is that you don't have to worry about dealing with issues like fraud, chargebacks, or invalid credit cards. This added security feature can provide peace of mind and help streamline your booking process. Once Booking.com processes the payment, it sends the payouts directly to you. Depending on your bank, it could take up to 3 days for the payout to be deposited into your bank account. It's a good idea to check with your bank to understand their specific processing times so you know when to expect the funds. You might be wondering about any charges associated with this service. There is a payment charge, but here's the great news. You cover a 0% payment charge. Essentially, no additional fees are collected if you choose to waive a fee to offer guests free cancellation. The payment charge you do cover is based on payment processing fees and the average chargeback and fraud risk in your region, and this is automatically deducted from your payouts. Once you've configured these settings and are satisfied with them, just continue through to complete the necessary steps. And that's it. You now know how to accept credit card payments on Booking.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials just like this one.